Hey guys, it's Mr. Tech over here, and this is the Honor Band for running. There are a lot of things I didn't like about this watch. From its very small screen to the slim strap, I'm going to list down all the things I liked and didn't like. Let's start off with the screen. It's very small and not so bright. I had to strain my eyes to see what time was on it when in the sun. Though it was okay indoors, the screen displayed only notifications such as in a call icon would light up, or if a message was received, only icons were displayed. Rather, compared to Honor Band 3, you'd get caller ID feature and could also read a part of text messages. The band is very slim and doesn't quite suit on the male hands, though it is comfortable. The vibration motor on this device is very good. You need the Huawei Health app to connect to this watch, and it is definitely seamless to connect. The data is accurately displayed in the app. Though only flaw is that you will have to manually go into the app and connect it manually. It would not auto detect when in the app. The watch is aimed for running but doesn't provide a heart rate monitor, which is quite a disappointment as compared to Honor Band 3, which comes with a heart rate monitor. I've been comparing this watch to Honor Band 3 because it's the same price range. The best feature by far I liked about this watch is the feature where you can find your device from the watch. You need to hold on to the button for a few seconds and it starts to ring your phone, and though the watch only, you can stop it from ringing. My brother found that is a very good torture technique, so he did it till I switched off the Bluetooth off on my phone.
The battery is okay for this watch. It definitely wouldn't last for 21 days promoted by the company. And my fair use of this watch for 7 days, it was left with 50% battery while I was filming this review. So it would probably go anywhere around 7 to 8 days, after which you would need to charge again.
My final verdict on this watch would be that it's better you don't buy it, or go for an older generation Honor Band 3, which offers all the features this watch has to offer and gives you a heart rate sensor. I bought this watch on Amazon for 1,500 rupees, but if you paid 500 rupees more, you'd get the Honor Band 3, which comes with a heart rate sensor if you are so into it. So that's it guys for today's video. Subscribe to Mr. Tech's Workshop and like this video if you liked it.